Welcome to Science Access. In today's class, I'm going to teach you the part 2 of the calculation in volumetric analysis or titration. Right? This is the question I gave as assignment in the part 1 of the video. If you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Now, 25 milliliters of tetraethyl of 6 acid is titrated with 0.1 mole of sodium hydroxide. The period reading is this of sodium hydroxide at the end point. What is the molarity? This is the molar concentration of the acid. Concentration in mole dmq. What is the concentration in mole dmq, or the molar concentration of what? The acid. Now just write your normal formula for titration. CaVa over Cb Vb equals to Na over what? Nb. Now take note, this is the what? Molar concentration of acid, or concentration in mole dmq of the acid. This is the volume of the acid. Concentration of the base in mole dmq. This is the volume of the base. Then the mole ratio. Alright, so what do? First thing, write out the equation of the reaction with two compounds involved, tetraethyl of 6 acid and sodium hydroxide. So let's write out the reaction. Plus sodium hydroxide. What will it give? Give Na2SO4 H2O. So acid and base react to give what? Salt and what? Water. So you have to balance the equation, right? You have to balance the equation. Then we have 2 atoms of sodium here. So I'll just put my 2 here. Okay. So let's check if the equation is balanced. We have 2 hydrogen here. We have 2 hydrogen here. But we also have 2 hydrogen this way. So it simply means the total hydrogen this way is 1, 2, 3, 4, because these 2 multiply everything. Then the total hydrogen here is 4. We have 1 SO4 here. We have 1 SO4 here. So this is balanced. We have 2 sodium here. We have 2 sodium here. How many? Okay, for oxygen, I can decide to count 1 S here, 1 S here. For oxygen, let's count the number. This is 4. So let's not use SO4. Let's use X. This is 1 S here. This is 1 S here. So oxygen, how many oxygen do we have here? 4, 5, 6. So this 2 is affecting everything. So we have 4 here. They will have 2 here. So that is 6. How many oxygen do we have here? We have 2 here plus 4. That's 6. So this equation is balanced. So let's now write out Ca, which is the concentration of the acid. All right. What did they ask us to look for? The concentration of what? The acid. So we don't know that. Then Va is the volume of what? The acid. Now look at this. Of acid. So this is the volume of the acid. Now, this is in milliliter. So to change it to what? Liter. What do? I'll divide 25 by what? 1000. So 25 over what? 1000. That will give us 0.025. So this is the volume of what? The acid. Now, the next one, concentration of what? The base. Cb by Cb. They're giving here 0.1 mole. So 0.1. All right. Now, volume of the base. Volume of the base. Vb. Now, the volume of the base is given, which is 40 milliliters. So we also divide it by what? 1000. And our answer is 0.004 liter. Na. Now, if you take a look at this one is which one of these compounds react with 2 of these. So here is 1, here is what? 2. One of these molecule react with what? 2 molecule of what? Sodium hydroxide. So Na is actually what? 1, then Nb is what? 2. Now apply your formula. CA VA all over CB VB equals to what? NA all over what? NB. Now let's make, we are looking for this, so we'll cross multiply. I'll use everything here to multiply this, use everything here to multiply this. So we'll now have, if I use everything here to multiply, we'll now have CA VA NB. So everything here and here, I'm doing cross multiplication, I'm cross multiplying, right? So I use everything here to multiply this. Now I want to use to multiply this, and I have CB, VB, and what? NA. So how do I make this CA the subject of formula? I'll divide both sides by this. So I'll divide both sides by, divide this side and this side by what? VA, NB. And I'll divide this side by what? VA, N what? B. This will cancel out this, and we'll now have CA is equal to what? This, which is CB, VB, NA, all over what? VA and NB. So what is CB? 0.1. 0.1 times, what is VB? 0.04. Then what is NA? 1 all over. What is VA? 0.025 times. Now what is NB? 2. So you just carry out the normal calculation. Let's use the calculator. Okay, you have 0.1 times 0.04 times 1. Divide 0.025 times 2. So what is our answer? 0.08. Now, what is the unit? Mole. And what? dm what? Q. All right. So this is the simple way to what? Carry out what? This calculation. A simple assignment is being displayed on the board. All right. Solve and drop your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching.